you.
You are delivering to Mr. Bond.
Yeah, because it's 007. So, salamat sa pagbabalik sa channel ko. Nandito tayo ngayon sa lugar kung saan kailangan mo muna maghinala bago ka magtiwala. Gaantay lang tayo ng first order natin today. And for today's video, I'm using my electric bike. This is a VL20. Okay, we already got our first. It's from Co-op. Co-op is it's like a convenience store back in the Philippines. It's like a 7-Eleven. And it's paying us like £4 and 50 pence for 1.1 miles. Hi, can I get the code?
Yes, it's 2031.
2031. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Thank you very much indeed.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, enjoy. First delivery, bilis na na. Sana wag na-jig, sana puro ganun lang today. Oops, meron ulit tayong next. We have our next. So, it's 1.6 kilometers to stop. McDonald's. Saan siya? Cooper Street. Okay, let's go get it. And I see you there. $935. $935. Thank you. Diba? Andiyan na. Hindi mo na titignan eh. Kala mo, kalabang ka eh. Hindi na naman yung problema eh. Kala mo kalabang ka minsan. Normal na yan. Risha? Can I get the code, please? 2208. Okay. Right, there's one more. Okay. Thank you. You too. Okay, we have our third order. Oh, ang layo nito. Ang layo nito ah. 6 pounds for 6 kilometers. OTW to Pound Bakery. Okay, we have this. This order will pay me £5 and 92 pence. Pero ang layo niya. Emma?
Yeah,
Yeah. Can I get the code?
9074.
Here. Yeah. You have to hold it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. So, yun na nga. Ito yung problema. Layo nang babalikan natin para lang makakuha uli ng order. Kasi dito, sa lugar na to, suntok sa buwan ka naman makakuha ng order dito. Iilan lang naman yung spot dito. Kailangan ulit natin mag-drive ng 5 kilometers. So, kung tutusin, talo. Talo tayo dun sa una nating ano. Pero wala kang choice, kailangan mong kunin kasi yung apps mo, hindi ka bibigyan ng maraming order pag di mo kinuha. Binayaran tayo ng 6 pounds dun. Saktong-sakto dun sa tambayan ko. Yeah, I got 760. Okay, no worries. Thank you. Yeah. So we are on our way to our port delivery. Yan na. Let's go. Itong delivery na to, bibigyan tayo ng 4 pounds and 92 pence for a 3 kilometer, like 3.5 kilometers distance. Medyo malayo. Pero, laban na din. 5 pounds din yun almost. Kaya pwede na yan ilaban. Eh, nandito rin ako sa area na konti lang talaga yung order kadalasan.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, no worries. Can I get the code? 0947. Okay, thank you. Ethan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Bye. Enjoy. One two zero for Tyler. Thank you. Let's go to the customer. Hi, can I have the code?
7862.
Okay, thank you. Oh, here's your drinks. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Ano natin, pang fifth delivery. As of the moment, nakaka 22 kilometers na tayo. And we got 23 pounds. So, parang nag-average lang siya ng 1 pound per kilometer. Not bad. Pero, yun nga. Minsan kasi may mga time kasi na mas malakas. Ngayon, hindi lang super lakas. Medyo malakas lang. Minsan kasi wala akong idle time, as in talagang zero. Ito kasi, tulad niyan, wala tayong order. Kung may order agad tayo, mas maganda. Eh wala, mag-aantay muna tayo. Kaya, na 22.6 kilometers na ako, tapos 23 pounds. Medyo talo, konti. So ito, in some rare cases, nangyayari yung ganito. Mali yung address na nakalagay dun sa pickup. Eh, nakapag-pick up na ako dito dati, kaya alam to. So, ito. Pwede na ako mag-arrive dito. Ang masaklap niyan, ang tunay na pick up, dito. Dito yung pick up. Oh, nakapag-pick up na kasi ako dati dito, kaya familiar na ako. Ayun siya. Nakikita niyo yung puting building. Yun. Bahay inuman yan. Puro alakan dyan. So, pag bago kang driver, pupunta ka dun, tapos hahanapin mo. Which is happens all the time. 007? Okay. Ang ganda ng pub dito. Diba? Bahay inuman lang to.
Just popping in the bag we want.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
You are delivering to Mr. Bond.
Yeah, because it's
007.
007. So, 15 minutes na lang yung ship ko. 6. And we got 28 pounds for the 6 order. Para magpalit ng battery. Tapos, ako para magpalit ng battery. And then, balik ako ng 3:45. Yeah, kasi hanggang 6 or 7, hanggang 8 tayo ngayon. Kailangan pa natin ng another 50 pounds pa. Yung late, malakas na pag mga late na. And we are back and ship for today. Already 4:09 p.m. Pero wala nang araw dito sa UK. Winter time na kasi, kaya malamig din. Pero tolerable pa naman yung lamig. Kaya pang kaya pa to. So, ayan. Open tayo sa Just Eats ngayon. Delivering tayo using Just Eats. Meron plus, plus 25% for every successful delivery. Hi, look.
Yeah.
Can I get the code?
2002.
Okay, thank you. Here, wait. Yan lang. Here. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Enjoy. Okay, up we go to our second delivery. Alright, Charlotte, can I get the code?
Pardon?
Can I get the code?
0198.
Okay, thank you. Here. Wait, there's one more. Here. Thank you. Bye, enjoy. Itong weather minsan yung nakakatamad. Yan nga lang, wala kang choice ngayon kasi nga winter. So, 3:30 pa lang, wala nang araw dito sa UK. Pag summer naman, sobrang haba ng araw. Alas 10 na ng gabi, meron pang araw. So, tiisin natin yung 3 buwan na 3 months na lang yata o 2 months na lang hanggang February. January na ngayon. Yan. Tiis-tiis lang, tiis ganda kahit medyo malamig. Kaya kailangan maganda rin yung ano mo. Yung gloves ko kahit ganito, tinatagos pa rin ng lamig. Kailangan ko lang. Hindi masyadong lamigin. Tamang painit lang, sledgy. Maya pag nakakuha na ng order. Mas matagal yung order sa sa Just Eat. Kuha muna tayo rito sa Uber. Approximately 1 mile lang naman. 3 pounds. Yun nga lang. Yung problema kasi sa Uber, ang haba ng distance na binibigay sa'yo. Ang baba ng bayad. So, yan. Pero pag nakakatsama ka ng ganyan, yung mga 1 mile trip, okay na. Kinukuha ko na yan. Minsan kasi sobrang baba, tapos ang layo. Login-logi. Uber kasi pwede mong tanggihan. Sa Just Eats, hindi. 730? Uber?
There you go.
Okay, thank you. I was calling you.
I'd left my phone in there and I was stood here waiting for you. Sorry.
No worries. Okay, I'm just going to take a picture of it. I'm just gonna put it down here.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Ay, thank you. Bye. Ito yung problema pag mayroong promotion dyan sa Just Eats. Wala ka halos makuha customer. Sayang lang yung promotion. Wala namang binibigay ng customer. Yung beses na nangyari yun eh. Ngayon lang, angal lang kasi gaantay ka ng sobrang tagal. Almost 1 hour na yung lumipas simula ng first order ko. Hmm. Ninth order for today. McDonald's again, 2 orders. Yeah. Meron nakakita na may camera tayo. Tinatanong yung YouTube channel ko. Hindi pa naman ako nag-a-upload. Kaya wala pa. Gusto rin kasi mga vlogger dito na nagde-deliver. Deliver na natin tong another na McDonald's na to. Grabe oh. Wala pang alas 6, ganito na oh. This one is paying 8 pounds, almost 9 pounds for 2 deliveries. Distance is 3 miles. So kaya siya malaki ngayon kasi may 25% additional incentive si Just Eats.
050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050. 050
Okay, thank you.
Thanks, lovely.
Thank you.
Thanks, love.
Bye, enjoy.
Bye.
Hi, can I get the code?
3624.
Thank you. Here.
Thank you.
There's my drinks.
All
Thank
this.
you. Bye. Thanks. Ibigay mo na. 2.5 miles. Taco Bells. Okay. Ito yung mga magaganda kasi along the way. 6.33 pounds. 308.
You alright? 213.
With this three. With this. With this. There's one more. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy. See ya. I'm going to finish the shift now. Kita natin today is just eats is 49.90 pounds. Sa Uber, kumita tayo ng 3 pounds kasi isang order lang kinuha natin doon. So in total natin for 4 hours and 30 minutes is 52.90 pounds. Total of 4 hours and 30 minutes. Uwian na. Takit sali tayo sa next video.